Remember that tax and shipping are always... Ooh. That's probably the longest thunder I've ever heard. Hey! Come here, you. Give me a hug. Just kidding. Welcome to a video of a 37-year-old white dude opening a box of shoes that he has no idea what to do with. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. And then I have a website underneath that where you can find any of the shoes I pull out of this box if they're up yet, and like a whole bunch of other stuff that I pull out of other boxes too. It's called ransomnotesneakers.com, and you can visit it now for the heck of it, I guess. I didn't forget about your stupid toy. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Hello to all my pals. This is a beater box from Sole Supremacy, which is a shop right outside of San Francisco that has a membership-only beater box program that is unfortunately closed to the public, but still check them out. Really cool shop. You can get anything sneaker-related there. It's pretty awesome. This box in particular cost, ooh, that's not a word. This box in particular cost $400 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. Shout out Ronnie Woo Woo. That's some history for you. For a grand total of $440 shipped! These boxes are priced under market, so there's a really good chance to make some money, but you could follow along with my non-gendered descript friend Clarence. It's gonna let you know how much each shoe is worth according to data collected from GOAT, StockX, eBay, just secondary market stuff. Then I'll break it down with the help of my friend MC Hammer, and we'll show you how much it's worth versus how much I paid. So instead of rambling, let's just open the box and see what's inside. Dance. I know the last couple boxes have been like higher ticket, like 1,000. This is the kind of price range I like. Anything between like 400 and 800, I always have good luck with. So we'll see what this one's like. Could be good, could be bad. I don't know, but we're open now. There's two loose pairs, it looks like. I'm gonna grab this first one. This is a size 10.5 of an Air Force One, some kind of wheat colorway. I don't know if this is the LV8 or whatever they're called, but it's a high top Air Force One, really low pile suede on the entire upper. Pretty good amount of heel drag right there, but there's no box for this. Again, size 10.5, Air Force One, wheat or FLAX or something, I don't really know. Probably not a lot of value in these. Air Force Ones are just so classic. There's nothing wrong with them not being worth much because you can't go wrong with a pair of Air Force Ones. So that's the first shoe out. There's another loose shoe in here. It is a size 12. It's an Air Max 95. I have no idea what this is. It's like some kind of like all white Air Max 95. The laces are not on the other one, but the laces are here, so that's good. I'm not a fan of the Air Max 95, and especially this colorway. It looks like there's some yellowing on the upper here too. These can't be worth much. I mean, without a box in the shape that they're in. So hey, who knows? Size 12. Air Max 95, some kind of triple white colorway looking thing. I don't know what it's called. Shoes with boxes. Here's a shoe. It's a size 10 YEEZY POWERPHASE. If this is a core black one, I'm gonna rip my hair out. Okay, that's good. At least it's not a core black one. Very lightly worn pair. I don't know what colorway this is called. It just says sea white. The leather on these is really, really, really nice. I will say that. It's very soft. These are a really comfortable, really versatile shoe as far as I know. And this is a good time of year to get this kind of shoe. Summertime, people like to wear a lot of triple white sneakers. Ooh, triple white sneakers. So, hey, you can't go wrong with that. So size 10, ADIDAS, YEEZY POWERPHASE, Calabasas, whatever it's called. Comes with the Doink X thingy thing. So you know it's legit. Hey, some kind of Jordan box. This is a size 8.5, AJF 20 low. It's an Air Jordan Fusion. That's what AJF stands for, I think. The packaging on these is actually really, really cool. All right, so this is some kind of triple black colorway with some designs and stuff on it. This is actually pretty cool, I will say that. Not a great size though. You can tell from the back, that's where the Air Jordan 20 comes in to effect in a bunch of these things, including the liner. Yeah, this is actually nice suede upper. It's got this design on the side paneling. I don't know what's going on with the midsole here, but it's got like etching or something. I don't really know, but not much information on these in my head. I think they're pretty cool, just not something I personally wear. So size 8.5 AJF. So that's 4 shoes. Looks like there's 4 more in here. Let's grab this older Jordan box. This is a size 13 Jordan Rare Air. This is like some kind of obsidian something or other dead stock pair. It's like gray with obsidian color on it. Looks like some cement print or something. It's actually not too bad. You can see the bottom, no wear, nothing like that. The box is in great shape too for being an older Jordan. These off-the-cuff Jordans that are not OGs or retros are just hit or miss. So Rare Air size 13. I looked these up after the video. I'm opening these up so I don't actually know what they are half the time. This is an Air Jordan 13 Retro in a size 10. 2014 release of the Air Jordan 13 Breads. Pretty decent shape, not too much wear. Everything seems okay. The bottoms are kind of dirty, but not really. I could clean these up really, really easily. Size 10 is really, I don't know, I have really tough time selling size 10. I don't really personally know many size 10 people except for Modi Blaine, but some kind of Bred 13 or something. Good thing I pulled this. We got another size 13 Jordan Rare Air. Hey, look at that. It's the same pair. Let's move on. Cool. Alright, it's a size 10 Air Jordan 4 Retro LS. Tell by the box, it's a Jordan 4 doughy. This is a pair of the Legend Blue 4s. They're worn. Not much paint crack. I don't see any paint cracking on here, honestly. Too close to tell. I don't want to take forever looking at these, but these are pretty okay. It's an LS, it's a Jordan Lifestyle, that's what the LS stands for. Not too much wear, a little bit of wear on the bottom. Not much star loss, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, probably not, but hey, it's a clean colorway. Again, a great summer shoe. If you're a UNC fan, it really goes well with stuff that UNC fans wear, I guess. Size 10, Jordan 4, Legend Blue. That is your box. This box is $400. There's not enough in here for me to know about anything, but hey, let's give it a grade. Class is in session. No, I'm just kidding. This isn't class. Okay, so grade time. We get that grade through 3 categories: condition, sizes, and hype/value. Let's do condition first. There are 8 pairs of shoes in this $400 Sole Supremacy beater box, and 3 of them are dead stock. 2 without boxes. Condition on this box, we'll give it about a B-. Sizes, we have a 12, 11.5, 10, 10, 10, 8.5, 13, and 13. No kid sizes, that's good, but it's not really great sizes either, so sizes on this box, we'll say about a C-. Hype/value. The dead stock shoes, I mean, I gotta keep this in perspective. This is a $400 box. $400 boxes, you're not gonna find crazy, crazy shoes in. I mean, there's recognizable shoes like the 4s, the POWERPHASEs, the 13s, and the Air Force 1s. I mean, I'm like super conflicted in my head right now about this, but I kind of got to give hype/value about a B+. So with the grade of B- for condition, the grade of C- for sizes, and the grade of B+ for hype/value, this $400 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of, we'll say a pretty solid B-. So I graded out this box as a B-, but hey, is there money to be made? I don't know. Let's let a video of MC Hammer with sounds made by my dumb mouth let you know. Big down! So hey, there's your box. It's my cell phone. Don't think I'm cool or anything. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in any of these shoes, you can contact me down below, or you can find them on my website, ransomnotesneakers.com. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you dug what's going on and you want to see more of this, go down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the dislike button if you didn't like what's going on here. Not everyone's gonna be happy. That's life. 2 more beater boxes hanging out over there. 2 more beater boxes in the way. It's beater box season. Is that a thing? No, it's not. But I appreciate you. We'll see you soon with another beater box video, because that's pretty much all I do. Until then, take care of each other, and remember to treat people the way you want to be treated, because the golden rule is amazing and awesome, and I will see you soon. Bye!